Hello friends, so today's video I will show you that how you can delete Facebook page very easily. First you need to open the page which you want to delete. Now in the sidebar you will see an option named setting. So just click on it. Once it's open, then scroll it down the sidebar and go to access and control. Here you will find deactivate page. This can be temporary, and delete page. This is permanent. So I am clicking on delete page and press continue. So if you want to download any information, you can download by clicking here, or you can transfer a copy of information. You need to click on this icon. So now we don't want to download any information or transfer a copy of information, so I just press continue. Now it is asking for the password. So now it is asking to confirm. So once you delete, then once you submit your page for deletion, you have 30 days to reactivate your page and cancel the deletion. But once the 30-day gets over, the deletion process will begin and you won't be able to retrieve any of the content or information you have added. So please keep this point in your mind. So I am going to hit again continue. That's it. So the page has been deleted. So I hope that you like this video. Thank you.